Hi everyone. So today I felt that it'd be really cool if I do a video on a very nude makeup look, very cool and extremely something which we can do at home in lockdown and feel good about it. So I got inspired by Priyanka Chopra's one of the latest Instagram pics, which was a very nude glowy look in her home. So let's start. So first of all, I'll be just using a simple moisturizer. I use just aloe vera gel as the base because my skin is very sensitive. You can use any moisturizer which you like. So you need to apply a nice bit of the moisturizer because before applying foundation, so that it absorbs and does not leave your skin dry. Second step involved using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. It is warm nude, which suits my skin tone. So you can use your favorite foundation. And I'm going to apply it with the help of these brushes. These are L'Oreal brushes, so you can use the brush you have, something of this much thick, so that it easily, very uniformly gets applied on my skin. So I'm just taking it in my palm, a bit of the moisturizer to be mixed with it. I'm again using the same aloe vera gel. So what I do, this is the double of the foundation as moisturizer, so that it gives a good healthy look, and also it's good for my skin. I'm just going to mix it well with the help of this brush. So earlier I used to apply foundation with the help of my fingers itself, but with the help of brush it gives a really nice uniformity. Although you might feel like kind of painting your face, but it's good for your face as well. You just need to use really nice, good products. So now you can see it's dissolving very properly. So it's almost done. So now for the last, just to give a final mix, I'm using my fingers, clean fingers. So now as it is almost done, so what I do that whenever spots I have on my face, I use my foundation itself or just a tinge of the foundation on that particular spot, and I use the opposite of my brush to just hide it a bit, conceal it a bit. You can use your concealer if you like here. So as a highlighter to highlight my skin, I'm using this palette and this dark color. I'm using this brown color in the middle of my skin. And this. You can use a separate highlighter for this as well. I'm using the same palette. And then with the help of this one, you need to spread it further. Now for my cheeks, I'm using this pink shade. So it's now done. Now with the help of this brush, I'm using this white tone for highlighting the edges, like here, around here. Actually, I have to highlight this portion of my nose, this inner eye portion, and somewhere here. goes by the look we are trying. So with the help of this brush, it's very easy to, and then you can just mix it with this one, right? And here. Gives a really nice highlight. So this highlighting is almost done. I'll go for the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this peach color because to get the nude look, and also a bit of my Melinda lipstick. This is Love Struck color one. This is a nude one, so it helps me to get that tinge, you know, with the help of I'm using the eyeshadow together with that. So let's try that. I'm using this one, this brush for applying eyeshadow. So I've applied in both. Now I'm going to use my lipstick. I use my fingertips as well. You can use this brush also. So it's almost done. Now if you see in the look we are trying, there is a glaze in the eyeshadow. So for that I'm using my lip balm, Himalaya lip balm, and with the help of that I'm just smudging it with that lip balm. So I'll get that glaze which I want. Just with the help of your fingertips, apply a bit of lip balm. And one tip for using eyebrows is don't go for the black color. It gives a very, very sharp look. Go for the browns. That will be very helpful. So I'm going for the brownish shade and mid black shade. So let's go. Brows these days are extremely important. They are so much in trend, and it doesn't seem that you have done it a lot. It comes out very natural, especially in the nude look. So this is a kind of a minimalist look as well, with the help of just the same palette I have used on my face. And I will not overdo it. It should look a bit natural as well. So in this look, it's a cherry lip. So definitely we're using the red lipstick. So it's a Me On lipstick, and since it's mine one is a Flaming Kiss shade. So it's quite reddish shade. But this one is a kind of more elevated, highlighted shade, a lighter, a more glowy look. So again, I'll use my lip balm with it to give that kind of shade. So let's start. So first I'll use my lip balm. Then I'll start my shade. Now in the middle I again use my lip balm because I want that layer of glow and that extra shine. So again, it was very minimalist for my lips also. I used the normal red lipstick and used it with lip balm, so we did not require proper gloss rather. Maybe trying some accessory. It's time for really important, that is mascara. This is a neon mascara, because whenever you use a red lip, do not go without a mascara or an eyeliner. And since this is a nudie look, we do not want an eyeliner to make it like extra and too much. So as I have used my red lip and my lip balm to give a very cute glowy lip, so that you can get inspired and do the same. And I put in my hair and used silver danglers, as was our inspiration Priyanka Chopra using. And so this is my final look, final nude glowy look for lockdown. So I hope you like this video and you would try this look at home. Just use it in your Friday nights, or whenever you have a small party, like feel at home and feel good about yourself for a happy face like this one. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and share this video among the girls who would love to have a makeup look like this one, and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I come up with more cool videos in this lockdown. Stay safe guys, take care of yourself.